What's good, YouTube? Today is the day I'm at the car auction and I have made two purchases. My first two purchases with TURO, and they looking good. So I got the 2013 Mazda 3 hatchback, and then I also got the 2016 Ford Focus sedan. Both of them clean Carfax, clean titles. They looking amazing. They looking amazing. Let me see. Do a little quick walk around. You know, gotta do a little touch-up paint on the back bumper. I really can't wait to do that. If y'all follow my channel, y'all know I do stuff like that. I can't wait to do that. I can show you the inside real quick. Let me get the key out. Hold up. It's the key to the Mazda right here. So this car came fully loaded. Black leather, sunroof, colors, you know, touchscreen radio, I mean. Show you quick front and back. Perfect to rent out. So that's what we gonna be doing, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to take y'all on my journey of actually renting out these cars. We try to open up the Focus real quick. And then I actually gotta go get the titles. Yep, so the Focus look good too. It's my first time. I gotta clean it out. It's my first time looking at these in the daytime, but they look excellent. I'll show y'all what it looks like crunk up and stuff like that. I don't know why I recorded this video in selfie mode, because it's kind of hard to see, but yeah. Y'all just follow, stay tuned. Let's go. We going up, man. 2025, it's over with. 2026, we coming in with a bang. All right, so this is my second TURO car, the 2016 Ford Focus. The miles on this thing, I'm gonna show y'all. The miles on this thing is crazy. My bad. Put the key in. No check engine light. Hold on. Close that. Wait till you see that. Look at that. Miles on this thing. 82,000 miles. I got a nice deal on this car. The radio in it is amazing. I'm actually about to drive this car because what I got to do, I need to go drive this and put it back in the fence because I'm taking my other car down to Georgia. Taking my other car down to Georgia, and I'm leaving this one up here, and I will be coming back to get this. So let's do it. Like I said, man, she drives perfect. 82,000 miles. No sunroof, all the lights work. Everything good, man. But yep, so like I said, we at the auction. The auction was last night and it was hectic. This is right around tax time, or I'm sorry, this is right before tax time. So everybody was just grabbing cars for way higher than they needed to be, and boom. So I just put my other car over into the fence because I'm gonna actually come back and get that. They don't have the title for that. That's one thing I don't like about the dealer auction. They don't have the titles for all the cars on hand. So I paid for both of them, got the receipt and everything, and I found like a look like a GPS tracker. I'm gonna look it up and see if that's what that is. But yep, so this right here is my baby right here. Got the title to this and all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this registered today. I'm gonna do the touch-up paint that I gotta do to it. I'm gonna do some headlight restoration, and yeah, we're gonna just touch up all of the paint. Like right there, that look like some paint need to be touched up. Other than that, touch up right there. I can't wait to do that part. Touch all that up, all that black stuff right there. But other than that, the driver's side perfect, which is good. The top is perfect, roof look good. Windows good, no cracks on the windows. Front good. Yeah. Okay, so we did good on the Mazda too. Mazda 3, 2013. Just need to clean it out. hatchback, and we're gonna go ahead and start it up too. Close the door.
But I just breathe, Phantom, breathe.
Turn that down. I agree. Oh, there go my dad right there. My dad coming over, he had to go in there and holler at him about the title or something like that, something with the paperwork. Appreciate him looking out for everything he do for me. So, yep. No engine light on this. This has 126,000 miles. Yeah, let me see what he talk about real quick. All right, we in it, driving. Everything rolling smooth. Oh, got to put the seatbelt on. I ain't been having the seatbelt on because we be close. You know what I mean? Inside the auction, inside the premises. Now that we taking the car home, yeah, got to buckle up for safety. But yeah, man, Mazda 3 2013, only 126,000 miles. Just hit 126,000 too. Riding smooth. Look right, go left. Yep, about to go get it inspected right now. So I get it, y'all, man. This is the journey from being a gig app driver to saving up money. I had the Tesla, bought the Tesla, sold the Tesla, bought the truck, sold the truck for even more, and now I just bought my first 2 TURO cars, man. We trying to start a new journey. Let's do it. All right, we here at the inspection place right now, dropping it off to get inspected. Let's go. All right, we sitting down doing the paperwork for the 2013 Mazda 3 hatchback, pearl white like a caddy. Let's do it. All right, so we in the Mazda, ran into our first little hiccup. I'm gonna be 100% with y'all, 100% transparent, man. It said I went to go get it inspected, and they said it's got 3 not ready codes, or 3 not ready, yeah, codes. So I gotta drive it around some more to clear those codes off. So either the battery was dead before it went to the auction, or somebody cleared the codes, you know, either with their scanner at the auction, because people walk around with their own scanner. So I'm not saying it was the person that put it through the auction, because it could have been there for, you know, a week or more, or whatever. But at some point over the last few days, the code has been cleared. The codes, you know, have been cleared. So you got to drive it, so, you know, to make sure the car knows, the computer knows if the codes are still there or not. But we on the way back to, I'm actually gonna pull up and get like a dealer plate, so I'll be able to drive it around and then get the codes cleared and pull back up to the inspection place at like 4 o'clock and get right. It's only 2:30 now, so that should be plenty of time for me to drive it somewhere far and then drive it back. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now.